Imagine you're just having a normal day, breathing easy, everything calm, and suddenly all the oxygen on Earth disappears. Not for 5 minutes, not even a minute, not even 30 seconds, just 5 seconds. Yeah, 5 seconds is super short, and you're probably thinking, 5 seconds, I can hold my breath, no big deal. But trust me, it's not as simple as it sounds. So let's see exactly what happens to us and to the planet in those 5 seconds. First second, what happens to humans? Oxygen makes up about 21% of Earth's atmosphere. If that suddenly vanishes, air pressure drops instantly by 21%. To put it simply, it's like being launched from sea level to 2,000 meters high in a split second. Your ears don't have time to adjust, and the eardrums of most people would rupture immediately. Your lungs compress, the pressure changes, and your ears hurt like crazy. But that's not the only disaster you'll face. Your body isn't the only thing reacting. The whole world goes into crisis mode. Right then, all planes, jets, and helicopters start falling from the sky. Everything that runs on combustion, cars, planes, power plants, shuts down instantly. The sky goes silent, except for the chaos of crashing aircraft. Why does this happen? When oxygen disappears suddenly, gasoline in cars won't burn. Jet fuel and engines can't explode. Power plants running on fuel shut down immediately. So far, everything's just stopping. But the real catastrophe starts now. One of the deadliest things happens in that instant. The ozone layer vanishes. In that 1 second, with oxygen gone, the ozone layer disappears too. Earth is left exposed to the sun. Ultraviolet rays hit the surface like invisible arrows. Your skin starts burning. Your eyes can't handle the light. And living creatures, without even realizing it, are under a deadly assault. Even when oxygen comes back, those few seconds are a brutal hit for Earth. Ozone molecules need to rebuild, and until then, the planet is unprotected, suffering irreversible damage. But that's not all. 5 seconds may not seem long, but it has a huge effect on oceans and seas. Dissolved oxygen in water drops rapidly. Other dissolved gases start escaping, creating weird, unusual bubbles at the surface. It looks like the sea's boiling, but it's a fast chemical reaction. Fish, plankton, and tiny creatures that depend on oxygen are thrown into extreme stress. Some try to surface, some move erratically. Even in just those seconds, the marine food chain gets disrupted. Water's chemical balance, crucial for stability, gets temporarily unstable. Sudden reactions happen at the surface and near the shore. The ocean surface fills with bubbles and strange waves, and even calm waters look like boiling chaos. Now, oxygen is back, but the world isn't the same. In just 5 short seconds, we saw our bodies in immediate shock, engines and combustion equipment stopping, the ozone layer damaged, leaving Earth unprotected from the sun, oceans and marine life under intense stress. Those 5 seconds show just how fragile life is and how much we depend on oxygen. If you found this scenario fascinating and want to see more wild scientific what-if stories, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video.